Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Lock Junkie here. Thank you so much for joining me. Today I've got this big, beautiful Yale 70mm antique brass padlock. No key. I got this in a trade. Excuse me. I got this in a trade a while back from Lock Breaking Kid. Do you guys know and remember Lock Breaking Kid, our buddy? He had said that it may not be pickable, but luckily it ended up being not the case. Six pins. Oh, not the easiest pick, but we got it. Lock Breaking Kid, thank you so much. I love you, buddy. All my lock junkies watching, that's all I got for you today. Thanks for watching me struggle on this one. Until next time, like, subscribe, share, comment. Catch you later. Ciao.